I'm Paulo the Plumber.
Allegra.
Was here to give you a simple demonstration of how to bleed radiators and general plumbing and heating needs. So today I'm going to be venting and repressuring a heating system.
Go.
So, right.
Allegra.
So here we have an unvented
Allegra.
heating system. The thing you need to look for in here is a filling loop. Some systems may have this, some may not. Okay? To the right there, you're going to see the filling loop handle. Right now it's off because it's at 3 o'clock. That's the pressure gauge, which is on 0. That's why the heating is no longer working. So what we have to do is turn this lever to 12 o'clock, simply just like this. And watch the pressure gauge go up, slowly but surely. Up it goes to about 1.5 bar, no more. Turn it off. Back! Now, need your radiator key and your tissue paper. Yes, that me? This is what you call Waitrose finest, and this is your radiator key from City Plumbing. Follow me. This way. So we're going to start off in the bathroom, yeah? It's a simple, easy demonstration. Make sure you've got your tissue paper underneath the radiator like so. Put the key into the vent, okay? Key, the little vent's there, push the key on and turn it anti-clockwise. Water will start to run out if there's no air in there. Leave it for about a second or two. See the water dripping. Put the key back in, turn it again to clockwise and then off. Any residual water, your tissue's there to catch it. Just give it a little wipe if needed. Okay, so again, this can be brought from City Plumbing suppliers. So we go back now and check the pressure up one more time to see where it's at. It could be on like 1.5 still, which it is, so that's perfectly fine. So anytime that ever drops down, just use your filling loop again. Just down there, and just top that up. And then turn your heating on, then you'll be good to go. Paulo is out. You send me?
Chuck.
Evening guys, just around my friend's house. They're saying they have no heating, so I'm here to fix that for them. As you can see, that's Abby, Allegra, Ayesha. Cut that now, man. You gotta cut that bit now.
Oh, no!
What am I saying?
Everything with the top. This is Allegra.
What am I saying then?
You're saying?
That would be hard. We'll shut it down.
Oh god, Paul loves his brother so much.
But I do think it would be a bit too much because you and your brother together are like.
Yeah, oh, hi.
What? Too height?
Too much. Too much.
Yes. Yes, do you agree? Yes.
What's the hold up, man?
I know, come on Christian, this bit's not important.
I mean, this is just a practice run.
It's not a practice run.
Sorry, creative director.
No.
It's a warm-up session for the weekend.
I'm the operational manager.
Operational waste man, come on.
What manager?
This
Operational
is
waste
the
man.
best book ever.
Okay, we'll get over this.
Operational
Is
waste
it?
man.
Nadia bought me that book.
What, guess how much I love
Yeah.
it? Oh my god, my mum used to read this to us every night.
I've never really heard of it before.
I'm going to have to send a picture to her. We used to have the bear as well.
What, that rabbit that she's got? Have you seen it? Oh.
Yeah. My mum's got it in her house. I didn't get it.
She loves me now. Sunday vibes.
Allegra.
This is the YouTube video, mate.
Yeah, of course.
This one is it. This is going on my YouTube channel.
Ah, that's that.
Right, start.
Good evening, guys. Welcome to my YouTube page. No, I'm doing this right now.
Not good evening.
What? What am I saying? Start again. Alright, start again. I'm Paulo Les Plumber. No, man, it's Abby, look at me, mate. Turn it off, Chris. Abby, you gotta hide your face because you're annoying me, man.
You just edit it out. On.
I'm Pablo the Plumber! The Sunday Sesh! No, I'm joking. Start again. Thanks for watching my video today. Please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe. I will definitely be posting more videos in the future. But if you need anything that will help you guys out, just leave a comment below. And then yeah, just look out for my new videos coming soon. Peace. Until next time, Paulo is out. Peace.